Hello, today's topic? At the theater.
What movie are you interested in?
I'm thinking of watching the new superhero movie.
That sounds exciting. Shall we check the show times?
Yes, let's see when the next screening is.
The next show starts at 7:00 p.m. Is that good for you?
Perfect. How much are the tickets?
Tickets are $15 for adults and $12 for seniors.
I'll take 2 adult tickets, please.
Here are your tickets. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Do you want any snacks before we go in?
I could go for some popcorn. What about you?
Popcorn sounds good. Get a large bucket.
Do you want butter or any other toppings?
Just butter for me, please.
All right, let's add butter to the popcorn.
Shall we get some drinks too?
Yes, let's grab a couple of sodas.
Now that we have everything, let's find our seats.
It's quite busy. Where do you want to sit?
How about a few rows from the back in the middle?
Sounds good. These seats offer a great view.
The lights are dimming. The movie is starting.
I can't wait. Superhero movies are always entertaining.
I agree. Let's get ready for some action. Packed scenes.
Wow, what an epic movie. The effects were incredible.
I know, right? It was a thrilling experience.
Thanks for inviting me. I had a blast.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Let's catch another movie together soon.
Definitely. Looking forward to it.
Vocabulary.
Movie. Superhero. Exciting. Showtime. Ticket. Adult. Senior. Snack. Drink. Soda. Seat. Busy. Middle. Start. Entertain. Scene. Epic. Effect. Incredible. Invite.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.